Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So if you're new here, hi, I'm Olivia. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that thumbs up button. Also turn on the post notification bell, and let's get into today's video. So I have an unboxing type of thing. I've got some stuff in the mail, still waiting for some more stuff, so this is probably going to be a two-part video combined into one. But I'm going to go ahead and open what I have. Also, excuse the messy background. I was too lazy to clean. It's also like 10 o'clock at night, so we're going to start with Pinch Me. So I'll have the link to Pinch Me down below, but it's free. It's almost like Influencer, where you just do surveys, and if you qualify, they send you a box. So I've already opened it. I haven't looked. Here's what the inside looks like. So the first thing is this 1850 introducing a bold brew. It's the Folgers Coffee Company. It's a Pioneer Blend medium roast. Let's give it a try. I have a HelloFresh Cook Up a Fresh Start $50 gift card. Next is a Spray Away Dry Rough Skin Aquaphor Ointment Body Spray. And here's the spray. It smells good. Try your first Graze box free. So I've tried Graze box before. It wasn't all that. So this is Comped Protect and Cushion Blisters. You get 5 cushions. Then we have RX Nut Butter, and this is honey cinnamon peanut butter. So it contains an egg white, 27 peanuts, half a date, and no BS. And then the last thing in here is a Moroccan oil for all hair types. Ooh, it smells good. So that was everything in Pinch Me. Next, we have a couple of packages here. So we've got some t-shirts. This is from the brand Active USA. Here's what it looks like. For some reason, I apparently ordered a 1X. Not too sure if that's gonna fit me, but we'll try it. Typically, I wear a 3X, depending on how the shirt is made, because I don't want it to cling in areas where things shouldn't cling. So here's the next one. Oh, this is cute. Okay. Designed in Los Angeles. Again, it's that Active USA brand. And this one is a 3X. So here's what the front looks like. And then here is what the back looks like. So we'll try those on. See how it works. So I think it's a purse. Yeah. I don't remember ordering a purse. but okay. Let's just pack it out. See. Oh. Okay, there's another purse. Here's the strap. I'm thinking a wallet, maybe? Maybe. So we got a wallet. A little, I don't even know what the heck this would be used for. And a little purse. That's cute. Little wallet is nice. Quality wise, it definitely feels cheap. And if I remember correctly, I think this was like $30-ish, because I looked at it, but I don't remember ordering it. But when I looked at it, it was like $30. As for this, I think it's supposed to be a wristlet. I don't know, but that's everything. Let's go ahead and try on the shirt. So this is the first shirt on. Excuse the attire, I'm wearing sweats. Here's what it looks like from the back. Yeah, I definitely don't like this shirt. It was a little tight putting it on, and this is a 3X, so maybe their sizes like run smaller. But let's go ahead and try on the purple one. Okay, so the purple one is on. Let's see if I can find a way to stand this up. So here is what it looks like. It's a little tight. Or actually, I mean, it fits. It's just not. It's not like baggy or anything, which is typically what I prefer, but it fits. So I think I might send this one back because that one's a no-go, but I think I'll actually keep this one. So, but I will see you guys when the rest of the stuff arrives. Bye guys. So I'm back for the next part of this video. So I already opened this. This came this morning. I used it. That's why it's already open. But it is the Daisy Dream perfume. And then I got my next package. I already opened the box. It's from Amazon. But it came like this. So this is what I ordered. I ordered a canopy for my bed. Hopefully it's come with the screws and stuff to hang it up. There we go. We're good. So I'm going to do this weekend. So that'll be my new background behind me. In case you're wondering, I did rearrange my room. So the bed used to be right where I'm sitting, but now I put it on the wall that my bathroom is at. So I haven't gotten all of the packages. I'm still waiting for one more. And then I think that'll be everything, so stay tuned, you guys. Alright guys, I'm back with the last part of this video. Everything else has finally come, so let's go ahead and get into it and get that out of the way. So the first thing is a purse. So it's like a 4-pack. So it comes with this big one. And it just has a gold chain. It came with this super cute little crossbody, this little one, and then a little card holder. And then lastly was my Influenster box. So in it was some bleach, 3 things of bleach, or developer I should say. This is 10 volume developer. Here's the bleach. It comes with 2 pairs of gloves, so 4 gloves total. This is the dye that I got. It's a Flare Me Power to the Purple. It comes with 2 boards. Two brushes. It came with this as well, so it's also for dark hair. And then we have a coupon. So that is officially everything that I've ordered, except the Influencer. I don't order that. I get that free. So shout out to Influencer for sending it to me. I'll have a link down below for you guys to check it out if you want. But yeah, I think that's everything. Actually, I'm thinking of dyeing my hair maybe like that. I don't know. I think that would be fun. But anyways, I will talk to y'all in my next video. Bye guys.